If you are watching this video because you want to sell more products, then stay tuned. There are guaranteed ways for you to consistently make more money. If you currently sold one of your products, if you implement this, you can sell 10. Here are 5 things you can do today to your small business to make sure that you grow your sales 10 times. Number 1, run Instagram ads. Instagram and Facebook ads are so underrated. There is hardly any product that you can't sell there really fast. I've noticed that a lot of business people, when they make money from their business, they don't end up putting it in the right place. Marketing is the best place to put your money in because the ROI is more. You can put 1 million into your marketing and make 500 million back. You can put in 100k and make 10 million back. Focus on your marketing, especially Instagram and Facebook. If you're watching this video, you don't have an Instagram account, go and open one now and start running ads. Another major way you can increase your sales is creating a list of your old customers. A lot of businesses don't actually keep record of people who have bought from them. You are selling shoes. The people that bought from you, do you have their names? Do you have it recorded? Because if you want to sell another shoe, the easiest set of people to sell to are people who have bought from you. You have to create a list and consistently engage with that list. Once a month, send them something. Once every 2 weeks, send them a message. Hey, what's up? We got this new stuff. I'm not saying bombard them with irrelevant messages every time, but be strategic with it. Once in a while, pick up your phone and call them. Hey, what's up? Oh, the shoe that you bought, how was it? How is it going? Okay, can you buy another one? We have this new stock that looks like this and look like that. Your previous customers are the easiest to sell to, and most times they end up buying 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've had customers buy up to 8 properties from me. Because why? I always go back to them to talk to them. Always go back to your previous customer. They are your next best customer. One other thing that would also help you sell 10 times more is running a promo or a campaign. Now, when I say running a promo, everybody mind is discount. It doesn't have to be that way. So a promo is a way to draw people in to buy your product. So let's say you sell your product for 300,000 and then there is delivery fee. You can say, oh, free delivery for this month. Oh, for these 2 units, if you buy 3, you get 1 free. If you buy 4, you get this discount. It can even be a gift you attach to the item that anybody that buys shoes from me this month will get a free wall clock. And then you also use it to create scarcity of your product. So you say, oh, it's only available for 20 units. No matter how small, it goes a long way. Do not underrate how it will affect your selling. Once you can create a very good promo or campaign, very soon you have a lot of people knocking on your door because they want to buy more and more of your products. The next thing that you need to absolutely do if you are looking at 10 times in your sale is create a referral program. You have to make it easy for people to refer people to you. Create a bonus attached to it. See, it doesn't even matter if you have to increase the price of your product to be able to afford it. Most time it will work. If you are selling real estate like us, they are agents. How many agents are marketing your project or your product? If you are selling bags, how many people do you have that are referring people to buy your bags and you are giving them some? It can be you share profit with them. You make 10k, you allocate 3k for referral. Before you know, you can have a group of 1,000 people that helps you refer your product. This is the fastest way for you to blow up with your sales. Get people. There are a lot of people that they don't have what they are doing and they would love to get bonus. Even people that are your previous customer. Hey, hello, good afternoon. Do you know if you refer someone to buy my bag, you get 3,000 naira? Do you know if you refer someone to buy a shoe from me, you get 5,000 naira? Before you know, referral, and boom, things have blown up. It might even be if you're a service business, you offer them free service for referrals. Please, do you know if you bring 3 people to do a massage with me, you will get a free massage. It won't cost you any much extra, but now you have 3 new customers. You have to be very deliberate with these promo offers. Your business blows up and you have a lot of people talking about your product because you are going to make money. And now the final thing, this one, if you don't do it, the rest will not work. The final thing you have to make sure you do, it's very important, more important than the rest, is you have to be consistent. It's not one day you're on, the other day you're off. If you want to run ads will only work when you do it over a long period of time. You can't be running ads this week and say it does not work, next week you moved on. No, you have to be consistent over a long period of time. You run a campaign this month, next month you run another one, next 3 months you run another one. It has to be consistent. Your referral scheme has to be consistent. You have to make sure you run these things for a long period of time. You cannot put 10k on ads and then come back and say it did not work. Before I sold my first property, I think I spent close to 200,000 on ads before I sold the first one. But that first one, my profit alone was able to cover for the 200,000 I spent. But as time goes on, I kept spending more money and making more money and more money. Sometimes I put in 500k into ads and I say over 100 million from that. So you need to be consistent with whatever marketing campaign you are running. Consistency is what is going to differentiate you from the rest. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and you can join our community where we train people how to be realtors. If you want to learn how to play the real estate market and become a realtor yourself, you can check our bio to join our community where we give trainings, products, and everything you will need to make money too. Thank you very much. I'm Bright. We'll see you on the next episode.